Hi everyone, welcome to my first vlog. Right now I am in Mulshi and I came over at this location for my anniversary. Uh, the name of the resort is Seven Monkey Hills Resort, and let's go and check how it looks. So it's around 7:30 a.m. in the morning, so the weather is quite pleasant. This is the entrance of the resort. It is a very narrow type of construction. We'll get to know. You see a welcome board over here and a small water fountain which looks really nice. You will be able to see this Mercedes and BMW motorcycles, so in case if you want to take a small ride. And if you see at every tree you will see a monkey. Basically these are created uh, for the birds to build, to stay. Let's go ahead and see what is inside. Okay, so this is the reception. So they have a small restaurant besides the reception. This is how it looks. So the resort is mostly made for accommodation of couples. So I guess there are around 7 to 8 rooms available. Those are all private rooms with private pool. I'll just show you how it looks. Let's go ahead. It's good that it is surrounded by trees. These are all erica plants. Okay, so as I mentioned earlier that this is a very narrow resort. If you see, all the rooms from here to the downwards are in a declining manner, and this is how it looks. Before going ahead, let's just go into the room and see how the room looks like. This is my room. This is the room which is at the top. So this is a very huge room. Okay, and the view from over here is amazing. Let me just show you how the washroom looks like. Though it is quite big, and the most amazing thing is that the ceiling is covered with artificial grass, and it actually gives a very good feeling. Okay. So TV and air conditioner, and that is my baby, and she seems very happy. Hello, Alicia. Okay, so let's go take a view outside. So this is the private pool that I was talking about. It is around 3.5 to 4 feet. So I'm not actually made for swimming kind of stuff, but you can enjoy and just chill out in the pool. So all the rooms over here are designed in the similar manner. All the rooms are with private pool. You can also get to see the sunrise in the morning around 7:30, and the weather becomes quite pleasant in the morning. So yeah.